In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subdomain on Hostinger and effectively assign files to it. We'll break this process into manageable steps so you can easily follow along, whether you're adding a subdomain for a new site or linking it to existing files. Let's start by diving into your Hostinger account. Begin by logging in, and once you're in, navigate to the websites section. Here you'll find an overview of all your hosted sites. Next to the website where you'd like to create a subdomain, you'll spot a button labeled Dashboard. Give that a click. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see Domains. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Subdomains. This will take you to a page where you can create a new subdomain. Now, in the Create a New Subdomain field, you'll need to enter the name you'd like for your subdomain. For instance, if your site is example.com and you want your subdomain to be tools.example.com, simply type tools in the field. After entering the name, you'll see an option titled Custom Folder for Subdomain. Go ahead and check that box. This feature allows you to specify a unique directory for your subdomain's content, which can help in keeping things organized. In the space provided, type the name of the folder where you'd like to house the subdomain files, such as blog files. This setup will ensure your subdomain content has its own dedicated space. Once you're ready, click Create to finalize the subdomain setup. Moving on, let's discuss how to assign files to your subdomain. If you're setting this up for a brand new website, perhaps launching a fresh WordPress site, take advantage of the auto-installer feature in Hostinger. During this process, be sure to select your newly created subdomain as the installation path. This ensures all new site files are placed in the correct custom folder you just set up. However, if you're working with files that already exist, there's a slightly different approach. First, head over to the File Manager in the H panel. Locate the custom folder you set for the subdomain. You'll either want to move your existing files into this folder or alter the settings to ensure the subdomain points directly to the specific subdirectory where your files currently reside. This flexibility is crucial because it allows you to integrate your subdomain seamlessly with the existing content. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up a subdomain on Hostinger and assign your files to it. Whether you're starting from scratch or expanding a current site, these steps will help streamline your process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.